Lexus of Maplewood, part of the Village Automotive Group, has been elevating the luxury car buying experience since 1996. Here's the vehicle for you.
The 2014 Lexus IS. Building upon the quick-shifting 8-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters that debuted on the IS-F high-performance sedan, the rear-wheel drive IS350 and IS350F Sport are the first Lexus vehicles to vary shifting with G-forces. Whether you're looking for added exhilaration or taking a relaxing drive through the neighborhood, Drive Mode Select enables you to make your IS more responsive or efficient with a simple turn of the switch.
We're proud to be the recipients of the Elite of Lexus Award. Stop into Lexus of Maplewood today for outstanding customer satisfaction and a great selection of new and pre-owned vehicles. We're conveniently located at 3000 Highway 61 North in Maplewood, Minnesota.